If you love Nutella but want a healthier version, you're gonna love this homemade Nutella recipe. It's refined sugar-free and low in calories. It only has 85 calories for 2 tablespoons, which is about half of the store-bought version, which has about 200 calories, and it tastes even better. Start by preheating the oven to 350. Spread your hazelnuts out on a baking sheet and pop them in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes. Roasting the hazelnuts brings out their nutty flavor and makes them easier to blend. Let them cool, then rub them between a clean kitchen towel to get some of the skins off. Next, in a food processor, blend the hazelnuts for about 3 minutes. You might need to scrape down the sides. It will look crumbly at first, but keep blending. It's going to eventually turn into a silky smooth hazelnut paste. Then add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. If you don't have any, you can use stevia or coconut sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. Then blend until it's well combined. If your Nutella feels a little thick, then just add 1 to 2 tablespoons of almond milk or any plant-based milk. And if you don't have any, you can just add water. Keep blending until it's nice and smooth. Finally, spoon your homemade Nutella into a jar and pop it in the fridge. It should stay fresh for about 2 to 3 weeks, but honestly, it probably won't last that long. You can have it on toast, pancakes, or even with fresh fruit. If you make this Nutella, let me know in the comments. I'd love to know how it turned out. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe for more healthy dessert recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.